More testimony today on day 4 of the trial for 2 former Williamson County deputies charged with manslaughter for the in-custody death of Javier Ambler nearly 5 years ago. Zach Camden and J.J. Johnson are accused of using excessive force while arresting Ambler after a car chase back in 2019.
And one of the last things Javier Ambler said to them was that he had congestive heart failure. Today, the jury watched body camera video from that night, including footage of Johnson and Camden speaking with other law enforcement after Ambler stopped breathing. KVUE's Isabella Basco is live at the Travis County Courthouse in downtown Austin with more. Isabella.
Well, Brian and Ashley, the courtroom first hearing from James David, that's the Assistant Chief of Law Enforcement for the Williamson County Sheriff's Office. He arrived onto the scene when medics were still performing CPR on Ambler. The jury watching body camera footage of his and talking to Johnson and Camden after they tased Ambler. And in that video, David asked Johnson what happened.
He's not doing what I'm telling him to do. Get on the ground, stop. So I switched, I transitioned to less lethal. I gave him 2 more commands, he wouldn't. I zapped him. By the time I hit him and he fell to the ground, I had some more. And he jumped on the truck trying to get him to comply.
Did he fall forward or back?
He fell forward, kind of on his side. He was talking to me like, I'm not going to. I can't breathe or something like that. There was a pill bottle that fell out with him.
I ain't heard that. I know. Don't worry about that. I mean, it is what it is, you know? Stuff like this happens. It's just, gotta go through the process you know?
And David also talked to Camden, hearing his recollection of what happened.
How was he being non-compliant?
He was pulling away from the APD officer when he had his hand. I was on his neck. I was trying to get his right hand. He kept trying to pull it. I gave up. He was a big dude. I couldn't get his hand.
Okay.
And prosecutors say the deputies tased Ambler multiple times. Ambler saying he couldn't breathe and had a heart condition. Now some other witnesses that testified today were 2 other crew members of the show Live PD, and the state questioned one camera operator, asking that person if they were in fear for their life when the situation happened. We're going